2025 GMC Canyon. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.